Hello student, class 12. Now we will study a question of a competitive class of differentiation. A question of a differentiation which is occasionally asked in the competition. This is if y is equal to cot inverse. This is if y is equal to cot inverse cos 2x to the power 1 upon 2. Y is equal to cot inverse cos 2x to the power 1 upon 2. Then find the value of dy upon dx at x is equal to 5 pi by 6. You have given a question. This is y is equal to cot inverse cos 2x to the power 1 upon 2. And you need to find out the value of dy upon dx. Then you need to find out the value of dy upon dx at x is equal to pi by 6. Now see how to solve this type of question. So firstly, the solution of the question is given y is equal to cot inverse cos 2x to the power 1 by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get what we get here. This is dy upon dx is equal to d by dx of cot inverse cos 2x to the power 1 upon 2. You know that this d by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. You know that? So firstly using this formula. Which formula? D by dx of cot inverse x. It is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So using this formula, you will get this is 1 upon 1 plus x square. At the place of x, this is cos 2x to the power 1 upon 2 and its whole square. Now here you have to use the chain rule because at the place of x it is cos 2x. So you have again differentiate d by dx of cos 2x to the power 1 by 2. Now this one is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cos 2x because this power 2 to power are cancel each other. It is 1 upon 2 cos 2x to the power minus 1 upon 2 because it is in the form of x to the power n x to the power n minus 1 means 1 by 2 minus 1 gives you minus 1 by 2. Again you have to use the same rule. This is cos d by dx of cos 2x. Here this one is equal to the value of dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cos 2x and this one is equal to 1 upon 2 and this is under root cos 2x. Again when you differentiate cos 2x, this gives you minus 2 sin 2x. This gives you minus 2 sin 2x. Here this one is equal to the value of dy upon dx is equal to this is 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1 and this 2 cancel each other and here this is minus sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x and it is multiplied by 1 upon root cos 2x. cos 2x. Cos 2x. So the value of dy upon dx is here. This one cancel, 2 cancel, cos x cancel, cos square x cancel with cos x. This is sin x upon cos x. This is sin x upon cos x. Here it is minus because you know that dy dx of cot inverse x gives you -1 upon 1 plus x square. It is minus, and here it is minus, and minus makes it plus. So it is plus minus plus. Here cos x cancel each other, and 2 cancel each other. Sin x upon cos x gives you tan x, and this is upon cos 2x. Cos 2x. Now you need to find out the value of dy upon dx at x is equal to pi by 6, means at x is equal to pi by 6. You need to put the value of x tan pi by 6 upon root cos 2 into pi by 6. You know that tan pi by 6 gives you 1 upon root 3, and cos 30 pi by 3 is cos 60. Cos 60 gives you root here 1 upon 2. This gets reciprocal. This is 2 upon root 3. So the value of dy upon dx at x is equal to pi by 6 is root 2 upon 3. Here